All right, let's see what we can do with you. This is a mess. The seats are completely torn and the dashboard is a mess. There's dust everywhere. This is really bad. Look at the rust in the exhaust. That oil leak is significant. We're gonna have a lot of work to do. Still looks pretty unhealthy after that wash.
Yeah.
We've got our work cut out for us. Still broken, still incomplete. All right, thick layers here. Fill these dents quickly. Smoothing it out now. Good. Okay, that goes here.
Oh, down here?
No, the pink wire to the blue.
Right.
Right, this one, precisely.
Ủa, kỳ này nó hiền anh. Cô gì phát tuần anh đi ăn lúc luôn không? Nó lúng bắt anh là khi luôn ngay thuyền nhé. Xong rồi cần kia.
The dashboard and controls are all right, perfect. She's back where she belongs. The Pink Ferrari's exhaust and underbody are fully restored, spotless and gleaming. Perfect.
The Pink Menace is ready to roll. Aggressive stance achieved.